Genre: realistic fiction. Happy New Year! I celebrated the New Year twice in one year. Do you wonder how? I celebrated the holiday in the United States and then in China. On December 31st, our city had a celebration to welcome the new year. This celebration began with a parade. A band played music, and I got my face painted like a lion. Then I watched a man carve animals from ice. We were surrounded by fun. Just before midnight, everyone went to the park. The crowd counted down the last seconds of the old year. Then came my favorite part, the thing I like most. Pop, pop, pop! Fireworks like a shower of colorful lights sprinkled down from the sky. Then my family took a plane to China. A plane is huge and travels over the ocean like a whale in the sky. We celebrated Chinese New Year with Grandma. This celebration is different than in the United States. It lasts for 15 days, not just one night. After we arrived, Grandma surprised me with new red clothing. She said red brings good luck. On New Year's Eve, we went to Grandma's house. I learned many interesting Chinese customs. One custom is to have a family dinner that includes tasty dumplings. Then we stepped outdoors to watch a big parade. At the end, a rainbow of firecrackers snapped and popped in the sky. Later that week, we watched the Chinese lion dance. I'd never seen anything like it. Each pair of dancers wore a fancy lion costume made of cloth as yellow as the sun. The dancers leaped through the air and did amazing tricks. We went to the Lantern Festival on the last day of Chinese New Year. The full moon hung like a balloon in the dark sky. Everyone made paper lanterns that lit up the night. The two celebrations were different. They were the same, too. They had one thing in common. They were both exciting family celebrations to welcome the new year.